So hey, my name is Pat Moore. I'm the instructor for the Stereotomy class. I hail from Canada. So I'm down here for a couple of weeks, and in this class we're going to be building this kind of end table stool where we have this repeating X brace that goes around. And what makes the design unique is that this brace, or this X here, has been rotated in a little bit, supporting this next one here, so preventing that from closing. And the way we solve for this trestle, the stool, is by drawing everything out. So here we have the drawing, so what we consider the stereotomical drawing. This is the visual representation of the trestle that we essentially figure out layout. So this is how we solve for real lengths and angles, is by drawing it full size on this sheet, and we extrapolate this information. We put it on, we take our piece of wood, we lay it out, transfer this information onto our piece, which gives us our layout to cut. So it's kind of like a science. There's no guesswork. We don't try to fit something and see if it fits or not. It either fits or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, it's probably because there's an error in the drawing somewhere. So once we have it all laid out, we can just go ahead and cut to your lines, and then assemble it, and then assemble it all together into the stool. I'm Pat Moore, this is the Stereotomy Workshop, and thanks for watching.